Turn it. Oh.
Video. Come on, Snow. You gotta take that shirt off.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Come on. Here?
Yeah.
Want me to record you?
Sure.
In your middle.
Arm hurt.
No, don't get it from goddamn head.
I'm up
Come
in
on,
it.
put
I'm
your
up
weak
in
ass arm in here. Let me see if you can bust this. Come on, take the shirt off. Come on.
Shoot, you know, stop.
You better stop!
Stop playing.
Let's see if...
Alright. But it's stuff cold.
No, it's in there. Count to 5. On the count of 5. See if you can bust that egg. 3, go! Bust it! Bust
Let
it
me
now.
try my other arm.
You show that you got the strength. Come on, show the strength.
He needs some
Then
milk.
the egg is slide. Put it in right here, right in the middle.
Wait till you win.
No, you can't. You.
It's not that funny.
It is. Cause that boy, he tried his best. He gonna keep trying to put your shirt back on. Get my egg back. You can't even bust the egg. See?
Okay.
You weak.
Keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking.
That's why you can't bust no egg. Come on now. Throw an egg back in.
No, back up.
Yeah, why not?
Both of you guys like that part. That's what I'm finna, yeah, that's what be happening, you know, sometimes. We'll try to get some of those moments in there. Alright.